So how you take it apart is chamber check. Nothing in the chamber. So lock open the slide, just like you usually do on any 1911. But the thing is, on this thing, you need a special tool. You can use a paper clip, but I bought this reverse plug retention clip from Dawson Precision. It's about $5. So this is a little clip that mounts onto here, and you see a little hole down there. You just pop it in. That's all you have to do. Then release the tension. So now it'll be free like that. So you open up the slide, go into the round groove that is here to this part, and you push this with your finger. Then you just wiggle this out, and it will come out. Once this comes out, you can just slide out, and that's it. So this bottom portion is metal. Okay, it comes with a full guided rail, but this bottom portion is plastic. This is all plastic, and inside is metal. So this is the STI's new innovative way to make the weight less, and also create this double stack magazines. Sometimes this is called a Tactical 5.0 DS for double stack. So that's that. So you oil the rails. Oil both rails, one drop on the notch right here. Then you can just pop this out, move this to the back, pop this out. It's still in spring tension mode. You don't have to release the spring tension at any point. Then push this down again, and this bow barrel will just come out. Very high quality bow barrel. Okay, there's a rifling. That's it. That's how you take apart 2011s. Sometimes you can upgrade this portion to better sight or better item. They sell it at Dawson Precision. I have no affiliation with them. So put this back. Make sure this tab, the circular tab, is up there. While pressing this, slide this in. Okay. And then once you can see it from here, there's that circle right about there. Sometimes it's a little hard. So see, this went down again. So it's a little easier when I'm not doing it in front of the camera. Okay, I have to. Okay, right there. So you pop this in first. Okay, misaligned again. Okay, right there. Okay, then go to the circular part, right here, and now you push this in. Oh, I guess it popped out. Okay, you push it in. Okay, it went in. Now pull it back, lock it in, and take the spring out, and slide it forward. Back at 3 times, and chamber check, and do the function test. Okay, it's good. And oils, wipe it down. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that is STI 5.0, and hopefully you guys can carry this I live in California, so for regular civilians, I don't think they can carry this because it has more than 10 rounds. But I am a law enforcement officer in California, so I can carry this to protect the citizens. And but I guess I can resell this to a person and then just sell it with 10 round magazines, then that'll be fine. You guys can also purchase this. Okay, so then I'm gonna do the weight.